G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. I'm doing a Little Creatures Pale Ale style homebrew kit and I hope it comes out well. So we're doing something a little different today. Cornelius, some of you are familiar with Cornelius, has asked to do a beer on his own and I've said yes. So I'm heading off to Werribee and just having a bit of a break. And he's going to do it on his own. So we'll see how it goes, shall we? So I'd like to introduce you to Cornelius, if you haven't seen him before. Hi, Cornelius.
G'day.
So the idea is get Cornelius to do this. He's going to do the beer on his own. He'll give me a call if he needs help, and I should be available for him. So let's get into it. I'm only a phone call away, so give me a call anytime you need help. I've sanitised everything. All you need to do is make it. Now remember, don't put boiling water directly into the plastic fermenter. It will melt. Don't stress. Have fun.
Sure.
See ya.
Hey. G'day. Hey, Cornelius here. Something new for me to do. I don't know. I'm going to give it a go. I sound like I'm drunk already. I haven't even had a beer. Oh, crap. Anyway, I'm doing this. And I'm going to do it like Pierre does. I'm going to show you what's in it. This is the kit. That's dextrose. It's got a kilogram of dextrose in it. It's got Morgan's malt, whatever that is. Morgan's Master Malt Wheat. And Pacific Pale Ale. We've got to melt them. There's dry hops, Cascade dry hops or hops. There's American Ale style yeast. And more hops, Cascade. Don't know when that goes in. And the bag can go. Instruction manual. This is the instruction manual. It says pour 2 litres of hot water into sanitised fermenter. I'll do that now. Hang on, I've got to boil the water. Here you go. Hot water's boiled. I'll do it now. Oh, pour it in. Look at that. Alright. Look it. Oh, hang on. What's going on? Now remember, don't put boiling water directly into the plastic fermenter. Oh, whoops. Oh. Is that supposed to happen? Oh, what'd I do? Uh-oh. I think it's melting. Uh-oh. I think I'm in trouble. Oh, I've got to bring Pierre. Hang on. I think I've just stuffed up. I better call Pierre. Oh, I don't want to. Okay. It's ringing.
Oh, it's Cornelius. Yeah, mate, how are you?
Yeah.
How's the brewing going?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah?
Well.
Oh, you didn't. You melted it, didn't you?
Yep.
How did you... I'm not going to ask. Don't worry about it, mate. I've got another one there. You can just reuse that one. It's the same thing. Just make sure you sanitize it. Put your extract...
Right.
Don't melt this one, please. Put the extract in a stainless steel pot with 2 litres of hot water, boiled hot water, so it dissolves really well. And then...
Sorry, mate.
Yep. Make sure you put around 5 to 10 litres of cold water in the fermenter. And once you've done that, pour the hot extract in there and it will keep it cold so it won't melt the fermenter.
Yep, will do. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Good luck.
Wow, I don't think he's very happy. Alright, next bit. I'll get rid of this one. Yeah, check it out. Look, this is what happens when you put hot water in it. It melts. It doesn't like it. Sorry. Whoops. I got Chubby all ready to go. Oh, I feel bad. What am I going to do? Anyway, we'll just keep going. First thing I'm going to do is pull the lid off this. Oh, it's got yeast. I probably should put that in the fridge, hey? Lid's not needed. Put this in my container. I've got 2. And I'll put this in my container. And watch Pierre, he knows what to do. And I'm going to pour hot water over it. That's what he said to do. Got my bucket. Got a lid. Hot water's boiling. Oh, hot. I'll be really careful. Heat this up. Put the lid on. And let it rest. That's prepared. What do I need to do now? What now? Instructions. The instructions say, mixing, pour 2 litres of hot water into sanitised fermenter. Yeah, tried that. Add contents of Morgan's Pacific Ale.
Put the extract in a stainless steel pot.
Ah, I need a container to mix it in. Right. Oop, sorry. Stainless steel container, as instructed. Alright. Water ran out. Gonna tip this in the garden. And now, that goes up here. Cloth. There's my cloth. I've got a cloth. He doesn't have cloths. I've got a cloth. So I've got to wait 15 minutes or so for the extract to go soft. And just wait. Back in a sec. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Whew. I'm going to open them up. Oh, oi, oi, oi. I saw him do it. It works really good. Look how quick it is. Look. Oh, I told you I'm good at this. Alright. Oh, that didn't work. Hang on. That didn't work. I have to do it more. There we go. Oh, I need a stick. Oh, guess what? I've got a stick. Awesome. Now, this says sanitizer in it, so I sprayed the thing. Oh, I probably don't need to, because it's hot water. Oh, look how nice that is. Yum, hope this is nice beer. Oh, you know what I needed to do? I needed to put in that stuff, the white stuff. This stuff, dextrose. How much? Where are the instructions? Yeah. Alright, how much dextrose? It says here, fermenting, seal the fermenter. Oh, hang on, I'm not that far. Morgan's American Ale, when the brew is 20 degrees Celsius, ensure that the yeast, okay. 300 grams of dextrose has to go in. I need scales. Put this somewhere safe. Dextrose is in. Right, next bit. That's boiled. Oh, I've got no hot water. Oh, gee. Oh, gee. I've got to boil hot water. I boil the water and I'll get back to you. Whilst boiling, I'm going to open this one up. It's the pale malt and pour that in as well. I might as well. I'm doing it all wrong. God, I can see how hard it is. This is difficult. I didn't think it would be this hard. I put it all backwards. Oh, smells good. Oh, it smells nice. Look at that. Is that supposed to do that? I don't care. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be doing that, but it looks good. Awesome. Look at this. How it smells. Smells funny. Yummo. Excited. Come on, kettle, come on. I emptied the dextrose. No, I emptied that out. Sanitizer. Pierre reckons it sanitizer foam doesn't hurt you. This is acid or something. It's food acid or something. I trust him. I'm going to put water in this while that's boiling and fill it up a little bit, not lots. I put 2 litre, 2 cans, calculating 1.5 kilograms, 1.7 kilograms, 3.2 litres, sorry. Dextrose won't make much difference, so 3.2 litres, and I'll put 18 litres of water in here. Yeah, 18 litres. I'll put 10 litres. I'll put 18. I'll put 10. I'll put 10 litres in. I'll put 10 litres in, and then I'll put 18 litres later. That will make 21.2, which is more than enough. Like my beer strong. Oh look, it's boiled. Alright, while that's filling up boil, I'll use the kettle in here. Ooh, that's hot. Alright. I'll stir it till it's dissolved. Yes, dissolved. Where's me funnel? Oh, I moved that. Oh. Oh. Hope you can see. Oh my god, it's heavy, it's heavy. Oh, it's not really. I'll pour it slowly. Not gonna spill it. Probably. Alright, I'll fill up me jugs. Well, if I know how to do maths right, I think that's right. 21.2 litres I've got, hopefully. Anyway, I think it's right. I don't know if I had to put hops in now. Hang on. Got to put these in about 4 to 5 days. This goes now, so it ferments. All right. We shall put sanitizer on the packet like that. That's what he said to do. I haven't stuffed up it ever since. I mean, I melted a different enter, but what are you going to do? It smells awful. Put the lid on. Might quickly sanitize it again, just to be sure. Put that on there. It works. Alright. Shake it up. Shake it up. 21 litres. Yeah. Alright. It's got oxygen all through it now. It's mixed. And it's going to ferment. I'm going to ring Pierre and let him know how good it went. Hang on with the phone. There. He's ringing. Hey. Oh, no. Hey, how you going, buddy?
G'day,
Hey, I'm
Cornelius.
really happy now. I got
Yeah,
it.
good.
Smells really good.
Does it? Yeah, awesome. Look, mate, don't worry about burning out the fermenter. We didn't really need it anyway. It was one I melted earlier, so don't stress about that. It was all right. I hope you had a great time, and I hope the beer is going to come out really good. I'm sure you learned a big lesson from this, and you should have a great time next time.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Cheers.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good one, mate. See you later.
Yeah, right.
Cheers.
All right, I'll see you on the next one.
Righto.
Cheers. Have a good time. We'll see you when you get home, mate.
Righto. Cheers.
Cheers. Bye. All right. That's it. I'm done. I've got to get the drink it now. I might have a beer. I don't think he'd care, he's got one. That keg there. I might get a beer out of that and have a drink. What do you reckon? Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, hang on before you go. We have to add the dry hops. We'll let the pressure out. And we'll add the tea bags. As you know, these are tea bags. They're little bags. They've got your hops in it, like that, and we just throw them in. This is dry hop time. It's about 10 stage 7, day 7. We drop one in. Just as silly as bloody Cornelius. Dropping both of them in, day 7. Sorry, but Cornelius couldn't help out here. He's a bit of a bludger, to be honest. Seal it back up, trying to keep the oxygen out, but you know, you can't help that. It's still fermenting, so it'll push the oxygen back out. There you go, let some gas out. Okay, so hopefully that will re-pressurise. I'll pop the thing on, I'll turn it up a bit so we've got more pressure going, and that should increase pressure in no time and repressurise and work. So that's it. We're finished now. We will get back to you once it's ready to drink. Cheers.